APIs Revisited. You learned about the concept of an API, Application Programming Interface, with BoogieBot. The instance methods and properties of a string are the API of the string type. There are many ways to find out about the API that a type offers. If you can sort of remember the name of a method or property, you can just start typing and Xcode will offer you auto-completion suggestions. Programmers use the auto-completion pop-up menu all the time. Here you can see the auto-completion suggestions for .has when used on a string instance. So this is an image of a code snippet. Don't worry if most of these options don't make sense to you right now. You can see has prefix, which you know about, and you can probably make a good guess at what has suffix does as well. As you enter more characters, fewer options will appear on the list. You can use the cursor keys to select an option and the tab key to complete it and keep on typing. Exercise. Use the auto-completion pop-up to access the is empty, has prefix, and has suffix properties and methods of example. Try using the keyboard to select options. So we have the constant let example, get it was the best of times. So now we're going to practice here by typing dot after example. So I'm going to type dot, and then my auto-completion menu has already come up, and I already see has prefix, so I'm going to go to that one. And I'm just pressing tab. So it's saying it's looking for the parameter prefix, which is a string. So I'm going to type my quotation marks, and I'm going to look for it. And that evaluates to true. This will disappear in a moment. Then I'm going to type again, example dot, using the arrow keys down to has suffix. And that's another string, so I'm going to look for a period at the end of that sentence. And that has evaluated to false. And then we're going to go with example.isEmpty. Now, isEmpty doesn't have any parameters because this is a property, not a method. So it's just saying, yes, this is empty, or no, this is not empty. There's no action happening. So has prefix says, does this string start with this string? So it checks to see if example begins with it, and it does, so that returns true. And then this one checks to see if it ends with a period, and it does not, so this one returns false. This one is just checking to see if it has anything at all in that string. APIs also come with documentation to help you learn about them and see how they should be used.